today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can improve the intelligence of your chatbot by integrating advanced AI engine. For this video, I'm going to share with you how I integrate the advanced AI engine by using DialogFlow. What's it mean by the intelligence of the chatbot? For example, if you go to the messenger and you put hi, the chatbot will reply to you like, "Hi, how are you doing?" For example, if you put product, the chatbot will assign you to something related to your e-commerce site. So how I do it? First thing first, I'm using Janis Slack Bot to integrate using DialogFlow and also the chat fuel. So for Janis, I'm using Janis Slack Bot. So it will be much more easier because it does not need any coding. So in here, I already have the Janis being installed. It's my Slack apps. So if you go to the Janis, it will help you to integrate your chat fuel and DialogFlow one by one. So here it will give you what you really want to do with the Janis. For example, you need to add a bot because you want to connect to a chatbot. So if you say add a bot in the message Janis, it will give you two options, either to connect AI or help. So after that, you need to choose connect AI. When you fill up connect AI, then it gives you suggestion to Google sign in. Then you need to sign in and select your agent. What you mean by select AI agent is where the name of the agent you install in the DialogFlow, which is here. You already create an agent and I put the name for the agent is Club with Fashion. It's the same name with my e-commerce site. And then you can see here got the client access token and everything, and you click save. Then you go back to your Janis Slack, and then it will ask you for confirmation for your boot Club with Fashion, and you say yes. Now it will ask you which chatbot platform that you use. So mine, I'm use ChatFuel. Then it will connect to the Facebook. It will ask you to connect to the Facebook as because I'm creating my e-commerce site on Facebook. So after that, it will give you two suggestions on how you want to do the integration. So for mine, I'm use custom integration, as it will give you instruction on how to set up a Janis block in ChatFuel with JSON API. So after that, when you click custom integration, it will pop up the instruction on how to connect with your bot. So if you click connect your bot, it will pop up another tab and it will give you step one by one how to complete your integration. So here you are going to do it in the chat field. You just follow the step one by one, and at the end of it, your chatbot is being integrated already with the advanced AI engine. after you had followed the step one by one with that being explained by Janis, you may see your Chatbot dashboard. If you go to the default answer, you may see what you have done. At the same time, you can also make amendment or make some changes for your chatbot. For example, you can redirect the block. For example, like if the user key in anything related to these words, it will directly show you to the specific block or specific message, so that it's much more easier for the user to chat with the chatbot. You can also go to the DialogFlow, and you can see here that I already created my agent Cloud with Fashion. And if you go to the small talk tab, you can make some changes on it also. For example, if the user key in or put input wow, this is how the answer will come out. You may also make some changes on another thing like confirmation, about user, hello or goodbye. And you can also add another thing if you want to add. It's really easy because it does not include any coding for you to integrate the advanced AI engine to your chatbot. You may see here, if I chat with the chatbot and I key in wow, you may see the reply message is the same that you set with the DialogFlow. You may also key in any input, for example, then it will give you this pop-up message which we already integrated, we already set in the Chatbot dashboard. See, if user input is available, then it will straight away send you to the product tab, which is here, the one that we already set here. So it will make your chatbot looks more intelligent and more user friendly to the user that use the chatbot. But if you simply put any words to the message, the chatbot will reply to you relevant answer to it. For example, if you put hi, then the chatbot will reply to you, hello, how can I help you? This one I didn't set in the Chatbot or DialogFlow. It will give you random answer but in a logic way. For example, if you put another one like set, then the chatbot will reply to you like set, Fatina, what's troubling you, may help. So it will give you a logical answer and it will feel like you are chatting with a human, not a robot. That is how good is by integrating advanced AI engine into your chatbot.